Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Oh wow, we have not seen a Tracer in a while, and they have done some absolute updates on these. So let's get started. This is a 2026 Primetime Tracer, model number 235RK. So let's get started. The length on this Tracer is 29 feet, 2 inches. The dry weight is 5,923 pounds with a hitch weight of 705 with a GVWR of 7,705 pounds.
Guys, this is going to be a great model if you are a couple that's looking for some good room and then something that you can pull with a half-ton truck. This is going to be one you're probably going to want to think about.
And I'm going to tell you something else. Ours is about this same size. This one has 2 roof mounts.
It does. So
2 ACs.
yeah, you're going to have 2 AC units on this one, and it's got really good head height on the inside. But let's show you some of the stuff on the outside. Forest River has just really stepped up here on the last couple of years, but this Tracer, this front cap just looks really sharp. You are going to have a power tongue jack here. Your propane will go behind those covers. One cover. Batteries will go back there. Now, this pass-through storage.
Well, it narrows down on this side.
It's a little
of the
narrow
city
on
water,
this side, yes, but oh my goodness, it's tall and it is finished out. Really good storage in there.
Would you say that's on a drop frame now?
Well, the front part is.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can kind of
Yeah, you can see it where it stops.
There. So yeah, and that's going to give you some great storage area.
Great storage.
Now this is going to have a rack and pinion slide. And let's see, I'm looking for the dump area. I will find it shortly, I think.
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, is it over there?
There's one right
I
here.
passed it.
Sewer
Sorry.
outlet connection.
Well, I got my shades on.
I'm sorry.
I can't
It's
see.
okay.
So yeah, it's down under there
And
with
your pull handles
with the
run
pull
there.
handles.
Yeah.
So for all of those who like to know that, now you know.
You've got another one on
I
there.
need a snack. I really do. I think it's about lunchtime. And dun, dun, dun.
Tankless water heater.
Yes. And the other dump right back under there.
I think I got a comment the other day. They like when I point those out.
Well,
They laugh every time I do it.
as you can see, you've got some really nice graphics here on the back. It's
Huh.
going to be prepped for a camera.
Ah,
Got a
spray port on the back.
there. Nice. Yeah. And a
Nice.
spare. No ladder though, so no ladder. Okay, all right. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Oh, but for those who like to know, made in America.
And I don't know how long the awning is. They didn't tell me. So
they
if you would grab this,
They didn't give us an awning.
we'll give us a
Yeah, kind of a
rough
Close
estimate
idea.
here. Looks like 16 feet.
all right.
I'll have to write that down. So I'll
And I would
remember.
love to show you what's behind that door, but it's locked.
It's locked.
We don't have a key. So it's either going to be a mini fridge and a griddle, or a mini fridge or a griddle, or it's going to be a hole. We're not sure. But there is something behind this door. I wish I could show it.
Hang on a minute.
We are going to show you this other side of this storage though, because guys, this is just does have the magnet so it stays up, but
My God.
wow, you do not see this kind of storage on a travel trailer very much. And it's going to have electric stabilizers, in case I didn't point that out. I can't remember. You have dual entries, foldable stairs on the front ones, but that's fine because you're going to use this entry right back here. And we're going to go right in here and show you. I don't know if this shows up, but this has got a neat little sparkle
Yeah.
in it. It looks really cool.
You like anything that sparkles?
I like shiny stuff, like a raccoon. All right, coming in, see your living area here.
This is,
And this is a rear kitchen. Guys, look at this massive window back here.
my gosh.
I mean, usually on rear kitchens, you don't get this kind of window. You lose your view of the lake or anything, but this one's got it. As a result, you're not going to have a whole lot of upper cabinets, but you do have storage on both sides. So, I mean,
Yeah.
you can make it work. Not solid surface in this one, but you do have a nice big stainless steel sink. It is going to give you a glass washer in here. You've got these drawers here. And then underneath the sink, you have a spot for your garbage can. And then you're going to have 4 drawers right over here with a plug-in. Love that they give you a plug-in there. They give you a plug-in there. They give you a place to charge stuff. All right, they did really good on that. Now, I really like. Oh, sorry. We're gonna move around here. You do have some open storage over here on this side. And now here's the one thing that I'm not fond of.
Yeah.
I like an oven. Now you've got the 3-burner cooktop, but you do have the microwave that is an air fryer. So, and it's convection. So, I mean, they give you a good option, but it's not an oven. Anyway, right here. Do we want to finish out the kitchen before we go over here?
Okay.
Show them the fridge.
Oh, opens this way.
Yeah, so you are going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge.
Oh, and I wish it was off, but it's on.
But it's on. And then right next to your fridge is your pantry area. So, you know, if you're a little concerned about not having cabinets above your sink, you've got all of this to store things in. Now, let's show you this.
Now you got all this.
And then you have all of this. So, you know, don't be sad that you don't have cabinets.
Don't be sad.
I have never seen drawers like this.
This is really nice.
It is really nice. And then, of course, they give you a bar area. Then there's some open storage right up there. Your controls are up there. And I know something else I forgot to show you. Coming right in the door, you do have a little space down there you can kick your shoes off.
Yeah.
So, if you come over here and have a seat, now your TV is going to be mounted up a little bit. I'm going to say that's a 40-inch. But
Well, I don't.
But I mean, I'm sitting here and I'm leaned back, and that is not a bad viewing angle.
42.
Oh, 42.
Yeah.
Man, okay, 40s and 42s are throwing me today. And you got this big window right up above your dinette, and the dinette will make additional sleeping. So if you've got some smaller kids or short friends like me, they'll fit right there. And you can sit there and in the mornings and drink your coffee and watch your neighbors.
What your neighbors doing
But
what?
don't be creepy. You have a plug-in right there, and then let me turn around and show you this. The rest of the slide here. You're going to have a jackknife sofa, and then you have, yeah, this little collapsible ottoman.
That's cool.
And it stores under the bed. We actually found it under the bed and wondered why it was there. But so yeah, they give you that. So you got a little extra storage. You can store under this jackknife sofa if you need to.
Okay.
Tracer, in case, I'll show you this in case you need to know. They have a PVC roof membrane, and it is equipped with solar. Now,
And this one has 2 ACs.
yes,
I'm
2
just
AC
saying.
units. And this is going to have a
man.
walk-through bath. We know this is a love-hate thing. This looks like to be about the size of our
Same
shower.
size, yeah.
Yeah,
30 by
30.
36.
Yeah, there is a sunroof.
I got a sunroof.
Oh my goodness, there's a skylight up there. So, Jeremy's 6 feet tall.
Yeah.
You're getting a little close. And this is going to have, yeah, a shower curtain instead of a door. I think you can probably put one of those retractable doors up. I don't think they're very hard to install.
Okay.
Wank, wank. It does have a plastic toilet. I know some people don't care. I think the porcelain may be easy to keep clean. And I don't want to step on anybody's toes, but now if you're a much larger person, you might want to go to a porcelain. I don't know how much I don't know what the weight limits on toilets are. If somebody knows, tell me.
It's
Because
endless.
I may have just completely been out
Yeah,
of line
you
on
did.
that one.
You did.
Which wouldn't be the first time, so anyway. Over here.
Please comment and straighten her out. Please.
Yes, Leo, put me in my place.
Please.
Massive medicine cabinet over here. And there is some storage beneath it. You have actually pretty good sink area. I mean, this is a travel trailer, guys. You have to keep this in mind. And you've got some storage on both sides, a little bit under the sink there.
I like what they did here.
Yeah, really great floor space in here. So there's, you know, plenty of room if two people need to get ready at the same time. I know some people say, well, we don't do that. Well, we do. Yeah, because we're weird.
Weird.
All right, moving here into the main bedroom. There you can see your second AC unit. You're going to have hanging on both sides and storage. Oh, those are on those friction hinge things that stay open. Nice. This is going to have the king bed.
Wow.
Yeah. And over here you can see there's your second entry.
What do you got down here? We get a...
Yeah, oh, yeah, I need
like
to show...
speaker?
I need to show underneath the bed. So yeah, this big space right here, your ottoman will slide up under there so you can store it there for when you're traveling. And then they give you these two little bins. And I love that it's open under there. Because quite honestly, when that's boxed in, that's just wasted space. So...
Well, there you go.
There you go. There's my 2 cents for today. We do have power over here, but we're not finished. I'm going to hand this to him so he can show you this wardrobe back here.
Well, it's just a little bit of...
Well, I mean, it's not really a wardrobe. It's not really a wardrobe, but...
Yeah.
Why waste space when you can store stuff?
And I just realized I don't even have the lights on in here. Light switch over by you.
Oh. Ta-da! Now that we're almost finished, we'll turn the lights on.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to add a TV, you can do it because the little backer location is right there where that sticker is. And your connections are already in place.
Wow.
In the ceiling.
You could chill this one down.
Oh, yes. I am
extremely good.
We've mentioned it before. I am so jealous.
I wish we had two ACs.
When it has two ACs.
Yeah. Well, all right, everybody. And I guess golden plunger on the bathroom. Not really, because it does have a plastic toilet, but that's no big deal.
But size-wise and storage-wise, it hits the mark.
Well, I didn't put it out, so. All right, everybody, if you like this tracer, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.